Here's another set of 3000 GT 20Gs that I did an upgrade for. The 20G compressor wheel is originally 52.6 millimeter, so I machined this out and had to sleeve the compressor housing, which I'll show you at the end. And we put the 60-1 compressor wheel in, which is 59 millimeter. We could have also went to a 25G compressor wheel, which is 60.5 by 78. And we could have also went to a GTX 3076, which is 58 by 76 millimeter. This is a pretty neat upgrade, maybe a little excessive since these are good for 600 horsepower each. Both of these turbos combined are good for up to 1200 horsepower now. For this build, I also machined the exhaust housings out to a TO6H 9 blade. This is also another product that we offer. We don't have the clipped version only. We actually have a version that's casted as a clipped turbine, and then we also have the straight blade. I also machined the back of the turbine housings for the gasket area so it sits even with the gasket, so he doesn't have any problems with the gaskets blowing out. To sleeve the compressor housings, I had to buy a custom pipe, which is actually a solid piece of pipe. I would have bought a hollow one, but the problem I had was it was hard to find the right size, so I just bought a solid piece of pipe and cut my own diameters out. So then once I had the pipe bored out, then I could machine the compressor housing and then press it into the compressor housing as a press fit, and then I can resurface it on the machine. And once I have the inlets resurfaced, then I can flip it around and machine out the back side of the cover. This is a really time-consuming process, and I don't like to do it very often. Usually I discontinue builds like that. The guy already sent the turbos in for the build, so I figured that I was pretty obligated to do the service anyway. So I just went ahead and knocked it out. Since I've done this a lot before anyway, I do have the capability to do it. It does take a lot of time though, approximately 3 to 4 hours per cover to do the whole process. The 17C can also be upgraded just like I did this one with the pipe and the inlets. But if you just got the 3-inch compressor housing, then you wouldn't have to sleeve the cover. But once we sleeve the cover, it still gives you the same wheel capability of doing the 3-inch inlet. Thanks for watching this video. I will link to all the products that we use in this build in the description box in case you need to purchase them.